Welcome to Vlogmas episode 2. You can try out this simple recipe for your family during this festive season. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Vlogmas episode 2. If you're new here, my name is Nicole Nazoe, and if you like it, you can call me Libreville. So today, first of all, please like this video, leave a comment, subscribe if you haven't subscribed. This is the right time actually that you're joining us because it's consistent videos, hoping so, and I hope I'll keep up with the consistency. And I'm wondering, should I be wearing like these Christmas caps, hats, whatever, like all through this Vlogmas season? I'm confused, but we'll see how it ends up. Like, we'll take every day as it comes. So I'm wearing this apron. Pardon this, I think it was mixed with a dark cloth ikioshwa, so I want to show how it looks like, but I think you've seen this apron before. So it just has like a Christmas tree. It's Christmas, honey, it's Christmas season, and this is how it looks like. I hope you can see it clearly. Yeah, that's how it looks like. And let's get into this video. Let's just get straight into this video. So today I want to make this fish. I don't know, I can't tell if it's a catfish or a mudfish because I've googled both of them and the images zinakatu the same, but it's that one that has whiskers. Me, I usually knew inakwanga catfish, but I had my mom say mudfish, so I don't know. I honestly don't know, but I'll put the picture of it somewhere here so that you guys can see and then you tell me. But I think it's catfish because of the whiskers. This is a simple way of making fish that you can do for your family. Like, you can try out this simple recipe for your family during this festive season. And yeah, for us, this is the fish that we eat the most. Ile fish ya kawaida we had, I can't even remember. Like, I think it's been so long. I can't even remember. I think it's been maybe even more than 5 years. We've always been eating this fish. Si ile ya kawaida. You know, that normal fish with scales and everything. This one doesn't even have scales. So it's very, very easy to prepare. But it's very slimy. It's very slimy. So the one who brings it for us, normally you leta kama ameg. Yep. So us, we just chop it off and just cook it. That's it. Store it in the freezer, and when it's time to cook, we remove it. So I have black pepper, white pepper, vinegar. This is the first time I'm using vinegar. I normally use lemon. I squeeze the lemon. So I want to try vinegar since we don't have lemon, and I feel like the tangy feel is always almost the same. Yeah, vinegar and lemon. And then soy sauce. I've already prepared where nitaziweka. Our air fryer is ready and set to go. Yeah. Oh, this is salt. This is salt. Then we have our oil, hapo, just to smear it on top of it. I can already feel the taste in my mouth. You can't understand. Like air fried, actually dried fish, like somehow dried, but I don't know. You guys will just see how it comes out, and I'll tell you how it tastes. Let me put the ingredients, mix it, put it in the fryer. Then I'll see you guys afterwards. So now I'm going to put them in the air fryer. Normally this should stay for like an hour. It should just like ikaitwe, like you cover with your foil and then you just leave the marination ikae. It soaks in the fish vizuri. But since sisi huko tunapikanga tu, we can even make supper at around midnight at night. Nyumba ya watu wakubwa. So it's not going to rest because people here are hungry and we need to eat. So yeah, let me put them in. Everything is in. I normally start with the small pieces huko chini, and then the big ones at the top because you need the most heat to get on the big pieces. You understand, because it takes longer for them to cook. So when the heat gets to them fast, zitaanza kupika mapema, kuiva mapema actually, if that makes sense. I'll shake them a bit. Normally hapa juu, I don't know if you can see, it's faded a bit. Fish, hata sijui fish, I guess fish ilienda kabisa. I can see chicken legs, chicken wing. Is that fish? I can see an F. See you focus. It's fresh something. I don't think it's fish. For me, I just estimate. Let's put it on. I just keep checking. Mu kuja tu nikiangalia. Heat, I'll put at 200. So it depends with the fish. Yeah. I think hapa juu, it was written fish 100 and something. I think around 160 or 180. I can't remember. But may just use 200. 20 minutes. Also, I'll just come checking and I'll keep turning the fish until they're ready. It's the season. Nimefungana hii because the head inaendana huko nyuma. So yeah, it's just serving the purpose. Then we have our snowman at the fridge. I'll hold this with some glue. Yeah, we've had this for around 2 years now. 2 years. This is our duty roster. Happy holidays. For my sisters, if you want them to do things, you just have to get them through. So let me wait for the fish to get ready. Then I'll see you guys at the end and let you know how it's tasting. If there's any ingredient that I put a lot or too little of, I'll let you know. I'll let you know how it tastes with vinegar. If it serves the purpose, lemon. So I'll let you know all that. Thank you so much for watching till this point actually, because we're about to come to the end. So it's finally ready. It's around 11:20 and it's been cooking for almost 1 hour. But let me not lie, I've already tasted and I don't taste kama si moto so that I feel the taste. I think everything went perfect, just that the vinegar, I thought it served the same purpose with lemon, but it doesn't. Because with the lemon you can feel the tangy feeling from like below your tongue. You know how lemons are. So the vinegar doesn't work like a lemon would. So I hope this is how they look like, by the way. If you can see. Yeah. Try this recipe out. Use a lemon if you want a tangy feeling, but if there's no lemon, just substitute with a vinegar. Just know that it's not the same taste, but try this out. I hope you enjoyed this episode and you've liked this video. Subscribe if you hadn't subscribed, and if you've subscribed, thank you so much and welcome to this amazing family. Road to 800 subs. So I'll see you tomorrow. Yeah.